Is your Nintendo Switch microphone not working? Don't worry, this happens to many users and is usually simple to fix. If you're facing problems during voice chats or gameplay, I'll guide you through some easy solutions you can try right away. Let's jump in. Solution 1. Check your headphone jack. So let's say you dock your Switch to TV and you have wired headphones. Most headphones come with built-in microphone support, but if you want to enjoy your games from a couch or your bed, you usually need to buy extension cables. Extension cables basically elongate your headphone wires. But many of you may not know that, but those extension cables usually don't support microphones. So how do you check? Well, just look at the headphone jack of the extension cable and ensure that the jack has 3 extension rings. These extension rings you see over here work in giving you the audio support. 2 rings means your cable supports both ear audio. 3 rings mean it also supports at a microphone. So when you buy your headphones or extension cables, make sure that your headphone jack has 3 rings on them. Well, in any case, people still face different kinds of microphone problems, so let's move into the video to try out 2 other effective fixes for your problem. Solution 2. Restart your Switch. Sometimes a quick restart fixes temporary glitches. Hold the power button for 3 seconds. When the menu shows up, choose Power Options. Select Restart from the menu. After rebooting, test your microphone again. Solution 3. Update your system. Go to System Settings from your home screen. Scroll down to System. Choose System Update. Make sure your Switch software is up to date. Updates can fix bugs related to hardware. If these fixes don't solve the problems, it could be a hardware issue. In that case, reach out to Nintendo support or take your Switch to a repair shop. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or want more Nintendo Switch tips, just drop a comment below.